Hello, 7th graders. Today we're going to be working on surface area again. I wanted to give you a quick review before you have to do these 4 problems all by yourself. So remember, step 1 is define the area of one circle. To do this, we do pi, 3.14, times radius times radius. The radius is 3. If we type that into our calculator, we get 28.26. Now remember, there are 2 circles on a cylinder, both the top and the bottom, so we're going to take that area of a circle, 28.26, and we're going to multiply by 2 to give us 56.52. So now I have the area of the 2 circles. The side that's left is the rectangle that wraps around the cylinder. The top length of this rectangle is the circumference, so we're going to do pi times the diameter, which is 6. This will give you 18.84 in your calculator. And then that's the length. So to find the area of the rectangle, I also have to multiply by the height. So I'm going to take 18.84, multiply by 5. That gives me 94.2. And remember, the surface area is the area of all the surfaces. So now I have to take my area of the circles plus my area of the rectangle and go 56.52 plus 94.2. This is going to give me a total surface area of 150.72 units squared. And remember, there was that formula that I wrote on Post-it notes for some of you for IXL. That formula would have been 2 times pi times r, and then we said pi times diameter times height. Once you get those 2 answers, you add them together to get your final surface area. All right, your job today is to find the surface area of these 4 cylinders. Please show all your work and submit it to Canvas.